Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back for those of you who've been here before. Today I'm going to be doing a lash lift that I found on Amazon. I bought this for about $20. Yeah, so these are my lashes. As you can see, they're very short. They're already quite like curly, but they're just not that long, as you can see. Yeah, so now that we've looked at my eyeballs closely enough, let's get into this lash lift kit. This kit comes with 7 items inside of it. So you've got a perm, a fixation, some nutrition oil, a cleanser. You've got lifting pads, a clean tool as well, and some eyelash glue. So we're going to start with the lifting pads, remove them from the box. And as you can see, it's just like a rubber or kind of like silicone pad that I'm going to use to place over my eyeballs. Oops. There's a bunch of different sizes, so you just got to choose the one that works best for the size of your eyes. And this is the lash glue. The lash glue is going to go all over the silicone eye pad, and that's what your lashes are going to adhere to before putting the perm on. This is the clean tool. It's like a little tiny comb that came in the pack, and I'm just using it to comb out my hair so that I can get like a smoother application. This is my first time doing this, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just kind of like reading the instructions, and I watched a couple videos on this, so I feel like this is pretty much what everyone was doing. So here I am just applying some glue to the inner part of the iPad, and then I'm going to apply that to my eyelid in just a sec once it's dry and like tacky. It was quite difficult to stick this on my eye. I remember it being like really difficult. You got to put a lot of glue and you got to hold it down like for quite some time until it stays in place properly. So there's that to keep an eye out for. It was actually a little bit difficult for my lashes to even stick, but I feel like once I do it again, like if I ever do it again, I'll be better. I was kind of just like struggling because it was my first time. Okay, so here I am. I'm putting the silicone now, as you can see, on my eyelid, and it's coming up, and that's why you see me holding the corners a lot. I did struggle with that a little bit, as I said. So yeah. Next, I just combed the hairs out just to make sure that none of the hairs were stuck under the silicone pad, because that does happen sometimes. So yeah, that's what I was doing. I'm just combing the hairs out with the tiny little cute comb they gave you. It's so cute. So now I'm just putting the eyelash glue all over my eyes, as you can see. And guys, make sure you put like a lot here because it was really difficult for my lashes to stick onto the glue. It's like it just wasn't enough. So you want to make sure you get everywhere and you get like a lot. And then I just use the tool to smooth the eyelashes like over the glue and just get them really in there in preparation. And now this is step number 1. This is the actual perm product that I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes. I opened it. There was like a yellow ring around the lid. I don't know why. But yeah, I just used the eyebrow brush. And I'm just going to apply that to my eyelashes slowly. And I'm going to take my time, be very careful. These chemicals are not supposed to get into your eyes. So make sure you're very safe when you're handling this and you're taking your time. That's really important. Take your time and, get it done safely. I've got to tell you, it says to leave this on for 10 minutes, I think. So literally for the whole 10 minutes, my eyelashes kept popping out of the glue. So I had to like wipe my eyelashes down continuously with the perm solution for it to actually like work, because they wouldn't stay stuck on the actual eyelash pad. So okay, so now I'm going to go in with the step number 2, which is the fixation product that's in there. It's like a little blue cream, and you're going to put that on top of the perming solution. Yeah, there's my cat. Whenever I'm in the washroom, he just jumps on the counter and he just like knocks everything over and he just like basically starts meowing, and he's so cute. I love him. So there, I also was, just trying to apply that really slowly and like evenly all over the eyelashes, and trying to be really careful that it doesn't get in my eye. And to be honest, it's really hard, and it almost did get in my eye. So that is something to watch out for. Just be careful. And this one is also going to go on for another 10 minutes. Now, step number 3 is the nutrition oil. I'm going to use that, and I think that's to wipe off all the products from the eyes. So I'm going to put this amount on the cotton pad, as you can see, and just wipe it slowly again. Obviously, like everything else, this is your eyes, guys. You don't really want to be getting these in your... Well, I don't really want to be getting any of these chemicals in my eyes. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't. So I'm just taking my time with this, and it's coming off really well, and it doesn't have like a nasty smell or anything that I can remember. It's quite, decent. So I was happy about that. And I'm just trying to get all the product off here. Next, I'm going in with this cleansing serum, and all the items in here came with sealed, so nothing was open. I had to break all the seals. Put a little bit on the cotton pad. I'm just going to go in and wipe all the rest of the eyelash product off and wipe the eyelash off of that iPad. And as you can see, like, I don't know if I said this, but the iPad was quite difficult to stick on. And did you see how easy that came off? Well, that's why it was hard to stay on, because it's just like slightly gently adhered to your eyelid. It's a gentle area, so then it's not going to be like super glued on, So that's the finished product. That's one eye done. As you can see, the strands did just look a little bit like longer, but not much. They didn't really look that curled, But it did look cute, and when I put on mascara, it looked really, really cute. So I was really happy about that. And now this is just the ending product. I went in and did both my eyelashes, and this is how it looks. Here's a side-by-side for the before and the after. As you can see, it's a slight difference. So I don't know if I would recommend this, if it's actually worth it to do it at home, but yep, anyways, that is it for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you again in the next vlog. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching all the way up to the end. I truly appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your evening or your day or your morning. Goodbye. See you next time.